Hello, folks. It's a Saturday, which means let him cook for. We are introducing a new contender today. This camera is. I call this the Breville Longbottom. Do you get it? It's like step one. Plug in the Breville. You'll also need tongs for this recipe. Now make sure that this is getting hot. Yes, that is certainly getting. I'm a fan of greaseproof paper, which I have some of here. It means that now I've had a question about my. I haven't. I lied, but I need this to work for the segue, so just. Mayonnaise. Get the wraps. Oh, you're a bad wrap. Sorry. We want cheese. Look at that. Beautiful. It's like a heart attack. Repeat these steps twice. Oh, I think I just recorded that entire last section in slow motion. I'm very sorry for that. Okay. I don't know how you feel about this series, but I'm quite enjoying myself. Are you? Let me know if you are. Preferably, please. Thank you. Quite frankly, I've gone mental. Dashing of cheese. Ham. The way to fold a wrap. Bottom first. Hope for the best. In the meantime, you can perform various activities such as eating ham. We didn't actually need them. I've made a mistake. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Also, grab a plate. This will be a handy. We'll just push that down a bit. I'm like punishing the wraps. Ooh, that was weird. Sorry. What have any of you cooked anything good recently? Let me know below. I haven't. Everything I cook, you will see. You will know. These are the only meals I eat anymore. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Because we do need the tongs. We do need the tongs because the food is hot and you will get hurt. Oh yes, look at that. Beautiful. He's done it again. He's done it again. He's a genius. Oh, join me for episode 5 where I'm cooking fucking steak. But if you enjoyed, have a good day. Just fuck off. Have a good day. Whatever. I don't give a shit. Anyway, have a good day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Join us next time where we'll be cooking. We're making angel cake. Bye.